Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Because I want to cancel about the square root, that's why I will need to use about this one. So to create about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one, we have s minus the square root of s minus 1 minus number 1. Now I will put negative number 1 in here. Now we continue using about this one. So this is about a, this is about b. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one, we have s minus 1 to the power of 2 minus s minus 1. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, we know that minus 2s minus s, we have minus 3s. 1 minus, with negative number 1, we have 2. Next, we need to do about factorization in here. So negative 3s, we change negative 2s and negative s. This one we can do about factorization by s. This one by negative number 2. Next, s minus 1, s minus 1, we can do another factorization. Next, s minus 2 and s minus 2, we simplify. Next, I will put number 2 going here, 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 and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate about this one. So we have 1 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.